if you've ever heard of the book $100 Million Offers by Alex Hormozi and wondered if you can use AI to create these offers, well, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to create offers quick and easy in a couple of minutes by leveraging AI. Watch this video. So, you've read this great book, you've made some notes, and now you're wondering, isn't there a way to leverage AI to put all those great ideas together and come up with some great offers? And good news is, yes, there is. Someone else has created it, we're going to use it, and I'll show you how. If you stay to the end, I'm going to show you some extra bonuses to set up and use with your AI. It's going to be great. We're going to have a lot of fun. So, to get there, Google this. This is your first website, and you'll come here. Big shout out to this person for creating this prompt generator. So good, you'll see soon. You really will be amazed, even if you use this a couple of times. So, first name, I'll put my company name down. My business, kind of a bit of a business mission statement. Anyone that's into business or whatever courses you'll take will say, to explain your business or have a good mission statement starts with, I help something by doing something and doing something else. Or I help something to get something by doing this. It's exactly what I did down here. Then my product, for me, I'm using Go High Level to sell as a service or as a software. Don't want to refer to it as Go High Level, so I name it my own system. And then all I've done in here is I've just given some of the features and functions of Go High Level. I've added in here. The more you use and add in your business, things you can think about, as you said in the book, creating digital products, having WhatsApp, chat group, private chat group, support systems, add as much in there, as much as you can think about after in the book, and you'll see it's going to put it all together so smartly. Next important bit is your targeted audience. Going to have to do a little bit of research on this, or if you're specific like myself, where I want to target small businesses in New Zealand, I'm going to put this down here. I want to target the small businesses, 1 to 3 persons, give an example of a couple of this. Easy. And then we hit submit. Once we've hit submit, it comes up with your prompts. So I've used all these. I've used it in normal chat GPT-3, works well. I've used it in Copilot from Bing or Microsoft, works well. At the moment, I'm really liking Claude. There's a recent article that came out that says that Claude kind of outperforms GPT-4 in quite a lot of things. So just like to use it for now. Good thing is, once you start this, if you don't like it, start a new chat, enter it all again, and we'll prompt, and we'll come up with something different. It's such a good variable. My suggestion is, do it a couple of times. It's going to pump out some good offers, mix and match the offers a little bit, and then do it again with the offers that you like and see what comes up. But let's get into it. So first prompt, pretty much going to create an avatar. You'll see. So in here, literally copy it, paste it down here. And all it does is it creates a avatar or someone that we want to sell to. Who do we want to sell to? As what I put down. My small business comes up with a plumbing idea and it writes down a couple of hard things, difficulties, challenges, and solutions. Next is we're going to start looking into some offers. What it tells it is come up with the Alex Hormozi formula and we're going to create some offers for it. So good. See, if you've read the book and it's said here, you'll see what the products are, the value equations. So smart. Really think this is where AI saves time. If someone is not as business savvy as everyone else, if it didn't go to business school, this just helps so much. Instead of sitting down, taking a day or two or a week to come up with these things, pumps it out itself. So it's given us a couple of offers. I don't want to delve too much into it because we're going to see how it creates even more. So this is good. So when we look at the top, this is the offer specific for a plumber. So I can chop and change it. If it's going to be an offer for a hairdresser, chuck that in. If it's for a fitness coach, chuck that in. Just have a good little look in here, and we're going to see in here. I don't want to delve too much into these because the next prompt is even going to be better. You'll see each prompt is better and better and just creates more magic. So it's come up and it's made 3 offers. And it kind of just says a little bit more into it. In delivery vehicles, comes out of the book, how we're going to deliver it. Now, watch this next. Building on top of those offers and elaborating more. It gets really good. So what I was going to do is it's going to take those offers and it's going to break them down. It's going to come up with some problems. It's going to come up with some solutions. It's going to come up with sub offers. Comes up with social proofs. It's really good. Comes up with the extra guarantees. Have a look. Just let it finish out. Just runs over every offer. Just digs a bit more into it. Digs more down, digs more down, digs more down. We'll see. If you remember from the book, urgency, scarcity, and social proof, bonuses, guarantees, those are all the extra things that sell. So have a look. This is so smart for someone like me that's not all business savvy. It gives the name of the offer, tells us how we're going to use urgency, tells us how we're going to use scarcity, give a pitch, talks about how we're going to use social proof for it. I'm going to go with offer 2, the sub offer, guarantees. Here we go, sub offer, urgency, scarcity, social proof. So it always, Claude saw those funny things like this. It should be in bold, but it's not. Here we go, offer 3. Same thing, urgency, scarcity, social proof. Now I've run this a couple of times, and every time there's a bit of a different outcome. So on a previous occasion, I've run this, and it spits it out in a way where it gives the 3 offers, and then under every offer there's a sub-offer, and then at the very end it gives a total urgency, scarcity, and proof. So it all depends. That's why I say run it a couple of times. If you even want to go up the next level, run it through 3 different engines. Use Claude, use GPT, use Copilot. Run them all together and then see what comes up. And then put it all together and run it again. So I think this is so good if you want to start out and I want to sell something to a plumber, for example. How should I build an offer for this person? And this is exactly how it goes out. This works really well. The last bit is how to do a value ladder. So it's just going to create it a bit more. You'll see. Good detail again. So now it's going to take, so we've started with an avatar, we've created a basic offer, we've broken down the offer, and now we're going to add a bit of a value ladder, if you can think of it in such a way. So it's more bit of an extra info to read. For me, I think the 3rd prompt is the best and gives the most information. It's probably what I want to use for myself. So this is really good. We can read over it. It breaks it down to a bit more of a value for you. If that's something you want to use, like an initial investment, handling fees, joining fees, monthly fees. It's kind of just suggestions, but I think it's more important for you to have a bit more of a think about it personally in regards to the market in the country that you're in. For example, if I'm selling to small businesses, I can't just go in with a big offer of a couple of $1,000. But this is really good information. It gives you things and it makes you think outside the box. It's the other great thing about it. I've used this exactly in one of my clients. And then I got to a point where I thought, man, I need to kind of start a contract for this person. And I didn't quite know how to start wording out the contract. And then this is all I did. I think I went for like an offer 2 or something. And all I went, so I copied this. And all I said is, and then offer it to a client. Jeepers, my spelling is bad. So here we go. Those extra little golden nuggets. How do we create a contract? Ma'am, let's create a contract for you. And it just spits it out. I don't have to go in there. I don't have to look up for anything. And again, easy changeable, easy addable, performance guarantees, terminations, just things to think about. Don't just take it exactly like it. Read through it, edit it, think about your country, obviously change it. Another thing I did was for another company was I was going to sell directly to a sports club. And I really had to rethink my funnel. And I just asked it to create a funnel. Just create a funnel layout for the 3 main offers. How easy. And that's just kind of what I did. I also asked it for a landing page layout. It's really good. Like I said, everything works out a bit different and gives different ideas. And it's really smart. I used 3 windows. I opened up in Chrome. I used the 3 different AI generators, and I just kept feeding it in, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. I got like 1 big offer or 3 offers from the 3 different things. I put them all together. And then again, I asked it to spit out more information. I started over. And when I fill out the bits in the start, from the first page here, I add my product. I put offer 1, and I put the offer that I've come out with the bit of research. Offer 2, and I come up with this. And I spit it out again, and lo and behold, it came up with little bits of extra golden ideas, things to think about. It really works. It worked for me as someone that's just starting out, and I got really confused and lost at a stage, and it just worked really well. I hope this I hope the information here is useful to other people. I hope you've learned something. And if you like these kind of things, help my channel, like, subscribe, follow, share, help me grow. Thank you very much.